The 2010 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, cloth bucket seats, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel, CD player, center armrest, compass, front bucket. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.